STEM Alive is our star product, and for a great reason. Our powerful, exclusive formula delivers the best nutrition stem cells need. Made of natural ingredients, our proprietary formula promotes stem cell health to stimulate overall wellness. But we cannot talk about STEM Alive without first telling you what stem cells are. Now, you may have probably heard about stem cells and all of the advancements in modern medicine that have taken place because of stem cell research. But many don't know exactly what stem cells do for the bodies. Here, let me show you. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, and there are about 200 different types of cells that make up our organs and tissues, including our bones, blood, tendons, muscles, cartilage, and nerves. Now, we have regular cells that are specialized. This means they divide to replace dead or damaged cells that are like them. Regular cells can only replace cells of the same type, so a new skin cell can only replace a skin cell, and so on. Stem cells, on the other hand, are unspecialized, which means they can become different types of cells. A stem cell can replace itself, or it can become one of many other cell types. They act like a repair system, dividing regularly and regenerating damaged cells in the body. For example, nerve, bone, muscle, blood, cartilage, or organ tissue. To put it in simple terms, this regeneration takes place in 4 steps. First, the damaged area sends a message to the brain asking for stem cells. Second, the brain sends a message to the stem cells to go to the troubled area. Third, the stem cells are released into the bloodstream. And finally, the stem cells find the area in need of repair, where the regeneration of the damaged area takes place. For example, when someone has diabetes, the pancreas is damaged. The pancreas sends a message to the brain. The brain then tells the stem cells that the pancreas needs to be repaired. It is almost like putting in a work order, and the stem cells are the repair team. The stem cells reach the pancreas through the bloodstream and get the work replacing the damaged cells. It is believed that stem cells live in clusters, and when the environment in the body is toxic, they don't respond when they are called to regenerate. They protect themselves rather than traveling in a toxic environment to reach the affected area. Stem cell regeneration seems to take place when stem cells are being nourished with certain key nutrients, because the right environment and their proper nourishment stimulates and activates them. Supplementing your diet and healthy lifestyle can help support that clean environment where stem cells thrive, because healthy stem cells in a clean environment and with the right nutrients are more able to regenerate. That is why, while the world is investing millions in stem cell technology through transplants, STEM Food Supplements keeps it simple by focusing on providing the best nutrition for stem cells. Our lab's high standards and strict procedures ensure that our ingredients are pure and of the highest possible quality. Working with highly trained scientists in our state-of-the-art laboratory, we carefully formulate and manufacture our products to deliver the best stem cell nutrition formulas. The regenerating and healing properties in our exclusive STEM Alive formula come from the natural ingredients and all of the powerful substances found in them, such as antibodies and antioxidants. Now I want to give you a chance to explore the 16 ingredients that make STEM Alive so effective. Vitamin D3 is essential for the absorption of calcium and the prevention of rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. It also promotes cell growth and calcium absorption and encourages weight loss. It promotes neuromuscular immune function and reduction of inflammation. When taken with calcium, vitamin D helps protect older adults from osteoporosis. Colostrum is a form of milk produced by a cow's mammary glands in large quantities during late pregnancy. It is very high in antibodies. increases the number of stem cells in your bone marrow, and it balances and stabilizes the immune system. Additionally, it brings in 8 growth factors that promote normal cell growth, DNA synthesis, fat utilization, and increased mental acuity. Spirulina is a type of algae that lives in warm, alkaline lakes in Africa and Central and South America. Spirulina is a rich source of many vitamins and minerals. Its blue pigment has the ability to trigger the production of stem cells. It's a high source of vitamin B12 and helps remove toxins from your body. It is also believed to have many anti-aging properties. The Indian quinoa tree is native to India. The bark contains antimicrobial properties. The extract of this bark has been long used for its medicinal properties for treating diabetes, inflammation, bleeding, and helping to lower the lipid and glucose levels of the body. Blueberries contain vitamin C and other antioxidants and might help prevent bladder infections by stopping bacteria from attaching to the walls of the bladder. It is high in fiber, which could help normal digestive function. Blueberry extract is used for preventing cataracts and glaucoma and for treating ulcers, urinary tract infections, multiple sclerosis, fever, varicose veins, and more. Goji berry is a bright red edible berry widely cultivated in China, and it is a source of zeaxanthin, an antioxidant that may protect the eyes from high-energy light waves like the sun's ultraviolet rays. Studies suggest that zeaxanthin and lutein in the eyes are associated with better vision and decreased likelihood of cataracts. Other health benefits may include improved circulation, sexual function, and immune function. Beta-glucans are sugars that are found in the cell walls of fungi, yeast, algae, lichens, and plants, such as oats and barley. They are sometimes used to treat high cholesterol, diabetes, cancer, and HIV/AIDS. Beta-glucans are used to boost the immune system of people whose body's defenses have been weakened by conditions such as chronic fatigue syndrome. They are also used for colds, flu, allergies, hepatitis, Lyme disease, asthma, ear infections, and many other common ailments. They are great immune system boosters, promoting cardiovascular and skin health. This powerful herb is used in Indian healing, one of the most powerful herbs in Ayurvedic healing. It has been used since ancient times for a wide variety of conditions. It is most well known for its restorative benefits, and it has been traditionally prescribed to help people strengthen their immune system after an illness. Its protective effects on the nervous system have made it an alternative treatment for degenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Eleuthero is a small, woody shrub also known as Siberian ginseng. It is often used for treating high blood pressure, atherosclerosis, which is the hardening of the arteries, kidney disease, and the side effects of chemotherapy because of its excellent protective effects on the nervous system. The reishi mushroom is a species complex that encompasses several fungus species. It is described as tough and woody with a bitter taste, and parts of it are used as medicine. Several studies have shown that reishi is a mushroom with powerful antioxidant characteristics, and there is now a wealth of impressive data that demonstrates reishi life's extending properties and significant ability to stimulate brain neurons, search and destroy cancer cells, and prevent the development of new fat cells in obese individuals. The acai palm is a species of palm tree that is cultivated for its fruit and hearts of palm. It is a powerful antioxidant that promotes healthy skin and keeps the digestive system clean. Research shows that acai berries are extremely high in a type of antioxidant associated with the ability to lower cholesterol levels in the bloodstream. They are also rich in plant sterols that help our heart. It does this by preventing blood clots. improving overall blood circulation and relaxing the blood vessels. Extremely high in many forms of plant antioxidants, acai berries may contribute to an ability to slow or reverse typical processes of aging related to oxidative damage. In fact, the berries are one of the planet's highest sources of antioxidants, with one berry holding 10 times the amount of antioxidants as grapes and 2 times the amount of blueberries. Bladderwrack, commonly known as fucoidan, is found in various species of brown algae and brown seaweed. It is used as an ingredient in some dietary supplement products and contains galactose, xylose, and several other major constituents that give the substance its potential heart benefits. A naturally occurring molecule found in brown seaweed, bladderwrack is a dietary fiber that helps burn fatty lipids like cholesterol and triglycerides. It is also rich in antioxidants with anti-cancer and antiviral properties. Grapeseed extracts are derivatives from whole grape seeds that have a great concentration of vitamin E, flavonoids, and other powerful antioxidants. Grapeseed is used for diabetes complications such as nerve and eye problems, improving wound healing, helping to prevent tooth decay, cancer, and liver disorders. Loaded with antioxidants, green tea has many powerful health benefits, including improved brain function and fat loss. It is generally prepared as a beverage, but the extract can be made from the leaves to use as medicine. Green tea contains micronutrients which might be able to prevent inflammation and swelling, protect cartilage between the bones, and lessen joint degeneration. They also seem to be able to fight human papillomavirus, HPV, infections and reduce the growth of abnormal cells in the cervix, cervical dysplasia. Carnosine is an amino acid. It is highly concentrated in the muscle and brain tissues. It contains anti-aging properties and promotes wound healing, eye health, and improved neurological function. Carnosine is important for many normal body functions, including the proper function and development of the muscles, heart, liver, kidneys, brain, and many other organs. There is some interest in using carnosine to prevent aging because it seems to interfere with certain chemicals that might play a role in the aging process. Pomegranate is a fruit loaded with natural antioxidants, such as ellagic acid. Its various properties have prompted research into its potential health benefits. This compound has some ability to inhibit blood flow and slow the growth of cancer cells. Described in records dating as far back as 1500 BC, pomegranate is used for conditions of the heart and blood vessels, including high blood pressure, congestive heart failure, heart attack, hardening of the arteries, atherosclerosis, and high cholesterol. All of the 16 ingredients in StemAlive work together to support stem cells from the inside out by delivering key nutrients that stimulate the release of stem cells in the body.